actually, there was a question in the eShop. I think it was in the eShop program about if we sell on, like, does anyone sell on eBay, right? I think selling on eBay is an option, and quite frankly, eBay's no different from Etsy these days as far as what's sold on them, if you get my drift. So there's no reason that you shouldn't sell on eBay if you want to, right? Give it a try. Why not? It might work, it might not. I know that eBay is good for vintage. A lot of people go straight to eBay when they're searching for vintage items. The thing, there are drawbacks to eBay because people can bid on things or people expect you to take offers or whatever, but you don't have to do that. You can set your own limits. But the question about whether other people, like, do you sell on eBay? Do you sell on Amazon? These are all platforms that you can try. And if you don't like them, then don't sell on them anymore. Now, I would be careful with some of them. Some of the platforms, one of the largest selling platforms in the world is very tricky, and they tend to not take your listings down when you close your shop. If you have things listed on there, what they do is they will leave that up to use as bait to get people to their site. Okay. And then when people get there, because they found you through search or whatever, it will say items out of stock. We don't know when it's going to be restocked. And your shop that listing could be done. Your shop could have been closed 5 years ago, but it will still be there on that site. So you have to be careful with that. But I have sold things on eBay before. I've never sold on the largest site in the world because I don't want to deal with them. But eBay is an option. So if you're thinking about selling on different platforms, give it a try. It's not a big deal. And they get a lot of traffic. When I search for things on Google, when I'm doing SEO, I will see, the biggest site in the world. I'm not even going to say their name. You guys know who it is. And then Etsy and eBay and Walmart comes up a lot, but it's like big retailers like that get a lot of traffic. Did you also know that you can sell on Walmart as an independent seller? There is a program that they have. I'm not sure what the terms are now, but you can list things on Walmart and sell them there. And it doesn't mean that they're going to be in the store anywhere, but they do have that on the website. So look into all this kind of stuff and just try it out. It doesn't hurt, and it doesn't hurt to have more than one marketplace that you're selling on because they have built-in traffic, but you should also have your own website.